how can you drown out this noise by using the Power Automate flow that trigger that we used last week? Well, let me show you. So I'm going to switch screens here quickly. Get my camera up. All right. So let's go back to our favorite thing here. We're going to create an automated flow. This one, we're going to just name the flow. We'll call it important email from boss. Sounds good. So we got an email from, I guess, yeah, it doesn't matter if we do it here. So we're wasting time already. Email from boss. The trigger is going to be, we're going to reuse that same trigger when an email arrives. We're going to try to do the V3 if possible. When an email arrives, email arrives V3. There it is. It just wasn't showing up. So when an email arrives V3, we'll make sure our connection is right here. We're not going to include attachments on this one. We're going to say the folder is the inbox. We're going to show the advanced parameters here. So we're going to say when it's from, in this case, it's going to be from a different email box here. So I'm going to use my personal email, JGT, my personal email address. So when anything comes from this email address, I'm going to that will trigger the flow. Now we're going to quickly go to the next step here. We're going to look for teams. We got 3 minutes and 19 seconds left. So we got plenty of time here. So we're going to, this word can get a little convoluted, I guess would be the right word. We're going to say post a message in a chat or a channel. We're going to post as the Flowbot. We're going to post in a chat with the Flowbot. We're going to make ourselves the recipient. So there I am, and it'll search your Microsoft tenant if you're sending it to yourself. And then in this case, we're just going to do a dynamic content, and we're going to say from, and then we're going to do some more here. Important email from. Then we're going to say subject, and then we're going to say summary. Which is really just, this isn't really a summary, but for our summary, SUMM. There we go. I can't spell. We're going to do a summary here, which is the body. And the only reason I put summary instead of body, won't put body actually, because I probably spelled that wrong. We'll put body. And this will just give us kind of a brief, short, it won't actually display the whole body if it's really, really long, but it will help you kind of know that there's a body. So we got 2 minutes left and our flow is complete. Let's close this down. Put another tab. We're going to go to Gmail, which we're going to open up my Gmail. We're going to compose a new message, expand this, and we're going to say to Justin.Trantham@FlowDevs. We're going to say, you need to enter your PTO or you are getting fired. You better enter that PTO or get fired. Right? So in this case, I'm responding like it's my boss. We'll see if that goes through. I'm going to open Teams up here really quick. Go back to our flow. I'm going to show you another trick because we got a little bit of extra time. So one thing you can see once your flow gets triggered, you can see the run history here, which hopefully it'll be triggered here soon. You get to the right Teams account for you. I'm going to have to blur some of this out because it is, some of these are our clients, but as you can tell, I use this for quite a few other things. In this case, I'm using it for Stripe. There we go. You can see here, it came through as the workflow, PTO, or you're getting fired. So let me quickly switch back to my other screen here. I'll keep the timer running though. So I hope this was helpful. I have used this before actually for other messages. It's pretty interesting to see kind of what you can use this inbound trigger for. You could run your whole ticketing system off this if I'm being transparent. I've been in a situation where we've used this to reduce the response time of tickets as well by just using that email as a response. Well, there's 10 seconds left, so I hope this video was helpful. Leave your comments down below, and if you can subscribe, that'd be awesome. Thanks, guys.